Welcome to baking safety. In this presentation, we will contrast safe and unsafe baking practices. She is clearly not observing proper safety precautions, and Captain Safety says no.
Not today!
Her hair is untied, her clothing is loose, and her hands are not even washed. Here, you can see her taking proper safety precautions by tying her hair, cleaning up her cooking surfaces, and washing her hands. Spills can be a major source of injury in the kitchen, especially when left unattended. Apparently, some people still believe in the 5-second rule.
Not in my house.
Proper hygienic practices must be followed to ensure no slips, trips, falls, or contamination occurs. Kate will now begin preparing ingredients.
Remember to always pay attention when using a sharp cooking knife.
What a great example of a safe cutting technique.
Never plug electrical appliances close to a source of running water, because you will be electrocuted and you'll also have a high water bill.
How many engineers does it take to use a microwave?
Is your butter too hard? Do you want to microwave it? Sure, go ahead, but never microwave metal.
Now, let's go to Lizzie as she combines the ingredients for our cupcakes. She is taking great caution to avoid any spills.
Another safety precaution that is often taken for granted is cross-contamination. Cross-contamination can lead to the spread of pathogens such as E. coli and Salmonella, which can cause illness and sometimes death. Here is a visual representation of how cross-contamination may occur. The safe thing to do will be washing your hands before coming in contact with another product.
Snack away, Lizzie. Now that the ingredients are mixed, we are ready to fill the tin with batter. Can you spot the safety hazards?
When baking, you never want to overfill your baking tray.
Now that the cupcakes are safely filled, it is time for baking. After setting a timer, Henry takes over Cupcake Watch. Let's see how he spends his time.
Last but not least, you always want to keep track of time when baking, unless of course you have great renter's insurance.
Henry makes sure to use oven mitts when removing the hot pan, and looks behind him to ensure no one gets burned.
Thank you for watching Baking Safety.